There are many people who think they do not know how to make money. Anyone can make money once they put their mind and energies towards achieving that goal. What hidden talents are lying within you that will allow you to make money? Ways in which you might make money. It seems that some people just have a knack at making money. You may think that there is a secret that they possess that you don't have. The only thing they have that you don't is the guts to take a risk. Not only that, people who are making money and lots of it are not afraid of a little hard work and sacrifice in order to achieve their ambitions. The only thing holding you back from learning how to make money is yourself. Everyone who wants to learn how to make money can easily do so. There are a myriad of ways in which you can learn to make money. There is the trading of commodities and stocks if that is something you seem to have some sort of success with, and of course everyone knows how to make money by working at a routine job. For most people that means working for someone else and waiting for a paycheck at the end of the week. Aren't you ready to break out of that mold and take your fate into your own hands? You might think about starting your own business as a way you can be one who knows how to make money. You can have a business that will showcase any special talents or abilities you may have. You can try your hand at a business that is based on the internet or a wide variety of other ways, that will give you the financial freedom you have long been dreaming about. How to make money with crafts. If you have an artistic flair and have been making crafts and homemade gifts for your family for years, you might think of this as a way you can learn how to make money. You can find all the tools, advice, and information on setting up a website and selling for money the crafts you lovingly make yourself and gave away in the past. You may be surprised at the amount of money you can make for crafting even such a sample thing, as scented candles as a way you can learn how to make money. Should I pay for information that will teach me how to make money? With all the information that you can find on the internet, you may not find it necessary to spend even a single penny on finding out how to make money. You might find all the resources necessary to start up your own business right from the comfort of your easy chair, using just your laptop and your fortitude. Those who are destined to become successful are patient, and don't let setbacks or mistakes knock them off track for attaining their objectives. If you invest a small amount of time doing research on the internet, it may pay off in spades when you find the perfect opportunity you can make money with, and live a life you so richly deserve. Remember, the only thing preventing you from becoming a success is the willingness to take a risk for what you want.